Hey guys, and welcome back to new on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I bring you a new update for the Aimogen plugin, as starting from now the chatbot feature will be content aware. So bear with me and follow the steps that I will show you in this video, and let me show you how to train the chatbot that you can add to any post or page on how to respond customized to people that are interacting with it based on the post content that it is actually showing. So let me bring this new feature to you. Also note that the Aimogen plugin is currently discounted, so link in description. Okay, so here is a short post about a red rose that I have here on my site, and let's add the chatbot using a shortcode. So Aimogen chat form is added, and in the latest version of the plugin you will be also be able to add to the prepend chat with text. You will have many shortcodes which were not there before. So in the prepend chat with text input field, or in the shortcode part, you will be able to use, for example, this article, post content, and discussion. So this is something to pre-train the AI model. So you will write the article of the post, so the post content will be added here, and you will tell the AI writer that, hey, this is the article, and following from here will come the discussion. And if people will ask the AI bot about the article, it will know about its content and its subject and everything about it. So let me show you how it works. So I simply add article in double quotes, post content, shortcode, and discussion, and we will follow up from here with the discussion. So prepend each user message user, prepend each AI message AI. Okay, so now let's update this post, and we will be able to see it here in the editor. And here it is. This is the content and this is the chatbot. So we can ask the chatbot, what is this article about? And this will tell the chatbot that, hey, this is the article. The article is about a special bond between two people, and the symbol is a single red rose. It is a romantic moment shared by two people that can last a lifetime. So this is basically the summarization of the article on which the chatbot is located, and it is a single sentence. So summarize the article in 3 words. Okay, so I will tell the chatbot to summarize love, romance, symbolism. And yeah, if you don't want to add this form directly to the post content, you can add it in the sidebar like this. It will also be able to detect the post content and use it. So all you need to do is add shortcodes as I showed you here in the prepend chat text sorry, chat with text not shown to users. So this is not shown to users, the text which you enter here, and you can use all these shortcodes which are available for the posts where the chatbot is shown. So this will bring much more use cases to the chatbot from the Aimogen plugin, as it is now content aware and it can use the posts where it is showing up. So simply embed this chatbot in a post that you are interested in its content, and it will be able to use it for customer information. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these updates. If you have new ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Share, like, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.